Hey, what's up? David here. Quick question. Have you ever spent hours creating videos, tutorials, webinars, or reviews, then posted them on YouTube, Facebook, or random platforms, and it just turns into scattered traffic, weak clicks, and hope marketing? Because the real pain isn't making content anymore. It's owning the platform where people actually stay, binge, and take action without you constantly chasing views. And that's exactly why today we're talking about Flixeera. The tool lets you own an Amazon and Netflix-style streaming hub that streams, sells, and scales 24/7. But before we jump in, do this first. Go check the link in the description box, because I have the full written review article waiting for you. Inside it, I break down everything, including the OTOs and discount offer, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my special bonuses that cover multiple areas of digital marketing so you can boost your results with this software instead of just owning the tool and not knowing what to do next. All right, now let's get into it. What is Flixeera? Flixeera is basically a next-generation streaming platform builder. Think Netflix or Amazon Prime style, but instead of being a viewer, you're the owner. It lets you create your own fully branded OTT streaming platform in minutes. The crazy part is you don't need code, you don't need funnels, you don't need a website, and you don't need any technical skills. So instead of uploading content everywhere and praying people click your links, Flixeera gives you one centralized streaming hub where your audience can binge watch your content, subscribe, click your offers, and engage with everything, all inside your own platform. And it's not just upload videos and done. Flixeera is built for real scale. You can stream things like movies, TV-style episodes, courses, webinars, review videos, and even live TV channels. Behind the scenes, Flixeera handles the messy tech stuff automatically, like organizing your media, streaming quality, subtitles, playback, subscriptions, ads, analytics, and even global delivery. So you're not stuck building a tech stack or hiring developers. You just focus on content and profit. Turn attention into revenue using the same binge watch psychology that made Netflix and Amazon Prime so addictive. Monetize with subscriptions, affiliate offers, ads, or build long-term authority in a niche. Flixeera helps you do all of those things with no developers, no monthly tech stack, and no headaches. In this review, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what you can create with it, who it's best for, and whether it's actually worth it. Let's dive in.
Hey there, welcome to Flixeera, your all-in-one Netflix and Amazon Prime-style streaming platform builder, designed to help you create, host, and monetize your own OTT platform without code, funnels, or technical skills. Here's your Flixeera dashboard, the central command center where your entire streaming business is managed from one place. At the top, you'll find real-time platform statistics. Total users, total subscribers, soon-to-expire accounts, total content, storage status, and total revenue. Everything you need to track growth and performance is visible at a glance. Just below, Flixeera displays interactive analytics, including total revenue and new subscribers over time, giving you a clear picture of how your platform is scaling. Scrolling further, you'll see a complete overview of platform activity, helping you monitor performance effortlessly. On the left side, you'll find the main menu, dashboard, media library, videos, and clips, where you can upload, organize, and manage all your OTT content, including videos, TV shows, podcasts, reviews, and streaming assets. Under subscriptions and plans, you can manage memberships, build flexible subscription tiers, and monitor expiring users. Perfect for running a subscription-based streaming business. Inside system settings, Flixeera gives you complete platform control, including business setup, app banners, notifications, app settings, legal pages, tax, and FAQs. Everything required to operate and scale a professional streaming platform. At the top right corner, you'll find quick access to your user panel, theme options, and profile, allowing you to customize both admin and viewer experiences. Everything needed to run your OTT platform is right here. Structured, powerful, and simple. That's the Flixeera advantage. Build, manage, and scale with confidence. Welcome to Flixeera, where your content becomes a streaming business. Now, let's see how easy it is to add new streaming content inside Flixeera. Click on Videos, then select Add New. This opens the Content Setup panel where you configure all details of your stream. First, upload a poster, the thumbnail that represents your content across the platform. Next, enter the title, making it instantly recognizable to viewers. Choose the access type, paid or free. If paid, simply assign a subscription plan like Premium, Ultimate, or Elite. If free, toggle free access, no plan required. Set the status to active to make it visible, or keep it disabled until launch. Add a short description to summarize the content, followed by a full description where you can include highlights, speaker details, and formatted text for a premium OTT experience. Once complete, your content is ready for the next step. Next, move to basic information. Here you can define duration, release date, and enable age restriction if required. Toggle download settings to allow streaming only or optional downloads. Now comes Flixeera's advanced link-based streaming system. From video upload type, choose your preferred method, URL, YouTube, HLS, Vimeo. Simply paste your video link. If prompted, add a keyword. Flixeera will automatically categorize your content in the media library. This approach ensures faster delivery, reduced storage usage, and global streaming scalability. Now let's configure monetization using the buy button. Add your button text like watch now or subscribe to access. Enter your buy button URL where viewers complete checkout. Choose button colors to match your branding and set the delay timing during playback. In the quality info section, you can define multiple streaming resolutions, enable quality-wise streaming. This ensures smooth playback across devices and internet speeds. Click Save, and your content is fully configured. Flixeera's media library keeps your entire OTT catalog organized and manageable. Once your content is ready, sharing is simple. Enter your Netflix-style viewer interface.
On the basket, round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the basket, round and round. All
Right, here we go. Practice shot today.
Now let's explore the Clips section. Click Create New Video, enter a name, and the built-in editor opens. Upload assets, add text, backgrounds, elements, and media. Use the timeline to trim, split, and arrange clips easily. Flixeera's editor lets you create promotional clips, shorts, and trailers, all inside the same platform. Next, manage subscriptions and users. View active users, plans, renewals, and payments in one place. Create subscription tiers with full pricing control. Track engagement, find soon-to-expire users, and review feedback to improve platform performance. Now explore system settings, the backbone of your OT platform. In the business section, manage all business accounts. View logos, titles, domains, users, and status. You can edit, activate, or delete any business profile. The app banner section allows you to upload promotional visuals or posters. Add your image, activate it, and click Save. It goes live instantly. Under notifications, you can manage alerts, updates, and system-wide announcements to keep users informed. In settings, manage your contact info, payment methods, logos, and currency options. Upload dark and light brand logos for visual consistency. The Legal Policy Pages section lets you create and edit your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and refund policy, ensuring compliance and transparency. In tax, configure tax rates for your paid plans to keep billing accurate. Finally, in frequently asked questions, you can add commonly asked questions and helpful answers for users. Flixeera's system settings bring together business control, branding, legal compliance, and automation, all in one organized interface. That's how simple, smart, and powerful it is to run your platform with Flixeera. From content uploads to video editing, monetization, analytics, and system control, everything is built to help you organize, analyze, and grow your business effortlessly. Flixeera, your complete Netflix and Amazon Prime style platform builder for content monetization.
If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tubitraffic AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.